Hey guys, what's happening? How to convert USDG to cash on Kraken. So open up your Kraken app or Kraken wallet. Hit trade at the bottom right. Under perps or under perps, you can find convert. Just hit it. Inside, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna convert from my from US dollar, from cash to USDG. Okay, so if you want to change cash to a crypto, just hit the USD button at the top and select Bitcoin, right? In my case, I'm gonna keep using cash. So let's say 25%, okay? Hit continue, okay? You can confirm that you want to turn cash, Bitcoin, or stocks to a USDG. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.